Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of uh, server error on Shein. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on Shein app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Shein app, and you can click. Not here, you will go to Shein. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.